kabisa msikilizaji hidega cha vutukire mirongo ibiri na isatu asichinsa ibiri cha vuno mambe jinzani cha Afrika ya muchi nkabi mugusi KISII FM your number one gusi vernacular radio station ibiri ngako tonyorane bya mirongo kianda na nye nukutane yemo umuro buli mu mincho limitole nsemo ya kane mwacho mutire na kulirira ase studio ngo turatoro mogene simambia bona ndo ikira igase studio ngo mukwanera umu manager we Sacco ya Unaitas oro sagia rwa KISII Muroke weekly for mwando ikiragase studio semambia bono namuna nakumanyia Unaitas ne Sacco engale sana na ende nembo asorongo rwa Africa gibwate members ya bange sana gwetania chief chiminye na mirongo ibiri na isatu na ende bamendira abande ngo totebyale nga iba ikeire na ane sake bwato mochoko ya sanu mocho motigiri na tuwa tuko kumanyia lakini bono ndeti kugendera kwerere kiagera omukubwa ikiragase studio oyoro mu manager we Sacco yo asoro sagia rwa KISII igarura samagacha liakoro kwa lengesha place opposite Quickmart ekero kugenda sechire nene ya daraja 2 amefika hapa asubuhi hii alinde aratuerera mono igoro ya Unaitas tiga mwareganiga igasingincho yobiro karibu sana manager
Bia mwana sana bwana MC Dudus
so
ntware studio bia mwana sana bategera libonsi bali batini in tokwanire amangana Unaitas
ngakiri tanganya se kwaru ense netegerete
ense netegerere ubusonga ali kituka
ndio
astole galia lengeta place opposite Quickmart
right
ubusongo netegerere kabisa nonyense gekende taro embura kuru yatwete kuru goro marogo mbaka bano mambiga ukendo no boro ni abantu wikato soke tuchabe toitegas
ngakie staff ya umbiere
the staff is good abantu bao colleagues no uwetoma naona buna nasoka bano mambiga twakora mukutano yo weke mambi tambira asma takora mukutano kara twabukire twasoira obisi
kweli
twaraga ensemble yamona alafu twapanga 1-2 ona unakora yona manya gosoka nache studio gaiga
uya sana nonyene ne botoko tebanganya saa enere nambe yemo
nabo
litangani bono kara mu manyo motegereria marieta uburonge kiokorangirikie kasogotoka ngai tumaye guchaka chinkwa na rasmi
inche weekly for mwando ngurukwa ninche buna mwamanyiwe branch manager o Unaitas KISII branch inka ne chinse mocha marani asa abantu bamaite marani kwa rule marani yogende lioma inche no muzaliwa rioma bono nonde sesake yeito ya Unaitas na ara kolide nero emiaka etalimeke koruna kakurite skuru umwako mae gake now it's almost 10 years again achakite 2015 bono igawa na kolide 10 years sesake yeito chi branch na atalire chi branch yao na achire head office na achire no Central Kenya chi branch ntubwa tororo na rolire mangana mangi na mabona ile ni nchiko koru branch manager bwana gwetera branch yitu ya Bosongo ingaligera tu support abantu baitu agusina ro manyana kitura kwa magendero
kweli kabisa manager tigangorigani asenchera ya bene imehigeta seni ya KISII FM asomuru limu binchulimi asema mbiye litangati atu chake kuramanyanga Unaitas ninki
unatwa tebire gocha Unaitas ni Sacco a deposit taking Sacco Sacco eko accept deposits nandere under the regulation of SASRA wando manyete SASRA Sacco Regulatory Authority ya chagite 1993
ndio
igobone Sacco yenye ne bwate miaka 32 na to kwa na igoboni ebwate branches across Kenya currently as we speak it what our presence in 13 counties. Our presence as a Sacco. When I say 13 counties, into what each county chinde chibwata more than one branch. Currently to what 29 branches, and we also have offices to go marketing offices that chitaraba chi branch chire fully fledged. Igobono in total, if we can talk about offices, Sacco yetu ya Unaitas ibwate 33 branches. Let's call them branches. Most of those marketing offices recently or in the near future ngo change chibe branch. Lakini ogenda oroto kagera ngene marketing offices in everything tokora na benge branch in short. So we have those footprints in those 13 counties with those very many branches.
Right.
And of course we are still growing as a Sacco. Na then togenda to kwa branch chinde. Of course, in line with our strategy. Something else when the mention Sacco when mogotangasa kuru last week. It's the biggest Sacco in Africa in terms of membership.
Yes.
There are so many parameters to define the size of a Sacco. And when it comes to membership, Unaitas boasts the highest number of members in Africa. Again, to carry online, montora Google, uzokole kendo yonzi uligerio taiwe Sacco what the highest members nearly.
Right.
That is Unaitas for you in a nutshell. Na summarize yasi nigo, lakini gitogenda to kwa neka na mange.
Alright. Unaitas ye umanyeta bantu bange igobagusunyuko manyanga ki kere Sacco ntaba utikire ye Sacco nebengi.
Sacco na tebenga current inclusion in finance. And that's what Unaitas is doing. Ya lentire oboraisi bwokoba banked. Ntubata abantu bange sana bakora ibiasara, bose bakora obolemi, bose bakora the small businesses. Bakoranga mamamboga aba, boda aba. Bakoranga intubono ntoenda boli gochialia, tochi ko igora bose ne account. But now when you join a Sacco like Unaitas, of which it encourages savings, because Saccos encourage savings because out of the savings we give loans. Wano toko tebanga anyone, however small you are or big you are, of course savings is part of something that you need to do. And now being the Sacco we encourage savings. And then Saccos are usually owned, Sacco chikoba owned na members. That sense of ownership in the members, of course, unlike banks. So that's what I can say about the difference. A difference here, right. Yeah, banks na Saccos ne yinga ekolenta mangana a sense of ownership, encouraging savings, and number 2, inclusion, so that everyone can be a member.
All right.
Yes.
Asante sana. Tumanye tinga tuange bicha kamiri, especially asoro sagerwa KISII kigira mbale oranyole bali nchera batagite kogendo abande mbale bagotekerera batuwete for the first time atagite guika asoro sagya litangani kana batebye ngo rusagirunga asoko gamba ngairole ebicha kamiri ngakiere.
All right. A branch a building nera ali ko kulengetia place.
Yes.
Akarowa waikirebo songo ono tete utrimbuka buno muntu akwenda daraja 2 echiro.
Ndio.
Otara atirimbuka kabisa. Ntubata petrol station gitaria alafu utrimbuka uchimatake ntubata quick mati ensemo ya yokobe yakaro utrimbuka ensemo yokolyo. That first building you see there ere kabisa.
Yes.
Unaitas no on that building. Nande on the ground floor. Go so that building, from the entrance of that building, the first office okuomera akaro so a building ye Unaitas. Igobono karwa chire bosongo no boli onde bwensinga Unaitas ye yere gochi. Na bokoro kubuna trimbo gochi matabu aso a building okuomera ntangani nene a ground floor no Unaitas yere.
All right.
Igota ko bagasingo ngwa so muntu onde bwensu oligeti gocha asibe orosagero ito rwagusi.
Asante sana. Manager ase ekarato tebiongo services mokova buna Unaitas nchiri cheche.
All right. When you join akaronde bwensi ya join rikobe member okoba exposed to so many financial services and solutions that we have in place. Amalieta ndana ngo sinyo kuona sike gusi sengi njeke gusi ke squeezing kwa sababu migubana kereke eskuru
abada bagakirusi
karatu alego kina to ala so meke gusi kabisa sira basi
ngo karatu nge matatang
lakini wono bale go kura mapema sana ago ikira kira astri wako mwana na ale ando gusinyo go explain ya sike gusi ya translate kuruke songo uchike gusi lakini nengo nya watemande bono membership go join. We opened up we can have individual members umuntu binafsi na bago join Sacco bose mo abantu na bago join mune chama usine manyire mwana mune ebyombe mbire gusi sana.
Yes.
Na atadire gusi na ndengorange ruchi meeting chibyombe sana banda buna sauti mogirango kero muntu na lekyombe andonsi gusi ebyombe na obigo join Sacco kuigore account kokora savings nande ko mukichironi corporates can be schools, in churches, and big companies na nechi Sacco chinda chinga nchire maiga gusi abo chigo join Sacco arafu na that is the membership that I'm talking about. Bono kimwa join the Sacco, of course number one thing we encourage savings. Bono the moment ba join it bono savings, we have so many products chia savings which akara ko wole account yeli yago ya transactions eliyo kubeka chibesa na kurusia na bogote bono umuntu nale utegete gukora Sacco savings. Bono have an account for Sacco savings. Umuntu nale utegete ko invest chibesa chia chiri abwate chi ategete chi grow your money. The bwate chi products okobeka chibese na andikwa tebanga regularly bosekere motienyi bosekere week tiga chibese chinga nanga chibe chigo fago chi account ye yane ngaligere out of account yi eliye kuru interest on your savings ngaligere ongeko that is investing your money in a risk-free way. Those are the many savings. Ndo wada fixed deposit account umuntu abwate chibese asegete chi nyinga gotebanga chibese chibone gatimbo atigasi na chirocho tiganchibeke as account ya Sacco ya Unaitas chiba fixed ngaligara chinge returns. So a simpler and easier risk-free way of investing your money and making something out of it without so much to worry about. Bona karutu akolera mangana savings bostingana tabera mangana school akarumu igori account toko ba solution yoko waka na school fees kanisa the same way talk about a solution yo kora contributions cheno either offerings bose ochiche tithe bose mechango elimo echikanisa chiko chiakora nabo bago join and batwale enchera bako beka chiba stirigo cha say account and then after that now we have loans bono na chichire chi nyinge mono na ndo na chiko chiagera economy ya expand okonyoranga as a member an individual member na bogo borrow any kind of loan depending on the activity you do, the economic activity that you do, be it real estate. Onye koro monto wa develop real estate properties kwanyora chirent. You can become a member of Unaitas and get loans to even develop more properties. If you are in farming, any kind of farming, poultry farming, dairy farming, ochiche obotugiwe chinchoke, ochiche ekawa, ochiche chai boni gaba gusiba ga chiri sana doje maga bunu bati chibicha chai abantu bagotole chai esenje bonus ya chitense bono abali mibe chai babwateli bagali nan sana Unaitas na ndiko nyora chironi chigo chigokora magendero ye chai yabo bose magenderande wetania okora obule mibe chai tochiche abantu bale na diaspora we've made it so easy. Boni ga kole Minnesota gusine manyire na Minnesota ngusi.
Yes.
Kole Minnesota ali na bogo twali account Unaitas dando kole investments wetera Unaitas. Esenge nchonga wogo tomachi west ya kwa rafu wa mwenga no teto ko kichironi. Chokora magendera randonsi. Beat kwa gacha chinyombe chigo kina bosongo ga nyancho kora chintambe Unaitas na bego support ya so kora magacha bunayo wetera chironi tokoenana. Igobo services chia Unaitas chire wide sana nelingo montanche aigorege tawe kya kerigererie ekikere Unaitas aligereria mangana to kora igana bo search chegali obviously karansa na into atoboli 1 2 3 this is what I do, how can you support me and what are the cost implications or say benefits as opposed to going to other institutions.
Right. Yes. Asante sana manager. Mwancho mutegereri oyo no manager o United Sacco Society Limited egotoka imemo chibusunga samaga chali alengesha place opposite quick mat togenda kuligereri nganga kiko kore mirimo manager ngo qualify ko be member ya Unaitas.
Everyone is qualified to become a member. Starting from a young child.
Okay.
Do you know omwana iwiru watu mkoyomo twali account Unaitas, of course ekoba run by the guardian of say muibori so starting from a young child obwate birth certificate abago twali account nande to akwaleta igo intentionally nga abantu bangekora kiwa mangana batwale saving culture as early as when they are young oru abo chiche 18 teens between the age of 13 and 18.
Yes.
Those are not adults. They can still have an account.
Okay.
abuna bana bale osenechi high school high school kids maete mostly patagete chibe sana lakini karaba cheru otumeka mbamanyete gotumeka buyego nande mbabugatie ebirangero biyego save chibe secho lakini otware ongekor ki mumuro boso muise kogore high school nga twari account yago ya Unaitas ya teens ose abana bale school and abuna ngo bayingo kobekera chibe chiago chia matumizi so that you are even able to track ngaki umwana wago tumeka chibes chia kwa moyero chia pocket money and origeli umwana we mupimera wora naki nabwate birangeli yugo save mate itwangere ko batabona bokunya kolengeli amangana succession plan abuno kunya upimera umwana naki umwana yinkoenda iga ngaki nachanyare ko gendereli binte ibiane bono ogochaka kumanya umwana mapema and then you come to hustlers now was abana wano abaliti school was in campuses they can still have an account with Unaitas or a campus then you are doing side hustles to earn some small living as you study in school so Unaitas nabogo join your and now every other person now bane oli taire we have accounts for retirees where if you get your money bali bakwa pension ye boomweli kwa hiru usene serikali kwa litakuru kwa hiru chibesti nyingi Unaitas can be that fast landing place for your money chibesti kwa une boomweli na bakonya nto nyibeke Unaitas and it will give you so much in terms of as you plan ngakyo chokora ko chimotune chibesti echo na bako the fast landing the easy landing place can be Unaitas and chibecho kwa interest to chiche school we chinatebire private schools chiche nyingi sana mnagusi they need an account and the account which support yes program chinyinge babugate
yes
so they can be members chamas as I said you can be members and then I also said if you're in the diaspora be it in the Middle East abakwenda Saudi Arabia Qatar abakwenda Europe in the UK Germany and other countries like Romania mbali bakwenda the Americas of course bakwenda Minnesota Seattle Washington, South Carolina, bali chinse Jones P. You can open an account and be a member of Unaitas Sacco that easily and still get the many benefits that we have of being a part of Unaitas.
Right. Manager, umanyete bono igotugukwanira umugusi ogokore biashara. Tukwanira umugusi usimegete cha ubwate kawa.
Yes.
Nkobori alengaki ndaigore account yane rero. Echaye yane agasara kane kaba kagwetera Unaitas kindengete konyora karuni gete how long akira irige kakengana elindenche konyore lon kuru ya Unaitas elindensu keligento kemo bibere
tiganja akiro mulimi we chai
chai
kwa mwiro go change kurwa ase mushara gwetera Unaitas ikwa mwiro go change ga the very moment kwa gende factory kwa form nera go chimo kikurwalie Sacco yaito wenda ali factory akiro mori and by effect the change in the system no mushahara go the next payment ye chae Unaitas ye gweta olente form eliga that very moment you qualify for a loan chae enko monto okore gas ye serikali ere raisigo payslip eli kwa gerente nande koro kinga Unaitas yo chiwaka ne room abuna to chakira wake sabu kulingana na production yago kwa kirwe sabu how much loan you can get and kwa uchiwe secho wachi okorera magendera
so ge kakengana ngaki manager sorry ge kakengana ngaki
for a tea farmer it's very immediate the moment you change your pay point HJ Unaitas and na bange bakoleru boigo I know they are listening but tegerete buna boniga bara they can bear me witness nga giwa change pay point yago korwa ndons go cha Unaitas kwalendere confirmation yali factory nga ba change that very moment you produce any pay slip you have twakole sabu kwanyora chibese wacho kolera magendero umwana biashara nerengo chanara encourage kwamba ora atumike account yae kwanza otoro kinga nabwate okobwa wo kane chibese chatagete oro si statement asenga at Unaitas you have that freedom to make your own statement kikwe igori account buna boniga ne duko bwate osine ne grocery shop asoko ni chinyeni chayo ne chinyanya ne bitunguo otebe ngambekere pay bill yana gaiga abantu bali bakungakana bonsi pim bali bawokana nesimi bakane wetera se pay bill yeyo okoro si statement yago we usually allow 3 months korosi statement at least 3 months ngari garantu ara senkoligerelia but if you've konya ko banked before oche Unaitas konya no bwate account ni benki
yes
ochi chote benga my request should be immediate because ni bwate statement yende kokoro kikoru kurwa benki ngao we can allow and look at that statement na nyare go process the loan akorere gas either magender ose ko expand biashara ibi ya wote tokora
okay manager
monto onde nataka ngerese no abarimu abasigari aba prisons ose national police ose AP abantu bali kire ne serikali babwate payslip tubwate partnership ne all the departments all the state departments giwachire ne payslip eyo tebwate mangana yoko igore account no oganye mitinye 3 o loan yere instant for salaried government employees
yes
we have private companies meshare wakan wetera Unaitas na barumba manyetenga barabu kiwa igore enye ko bwate private company nande bwate employees ko bakane meshare yago wetera Unaitas kiba chenjiri ko cha Unaitas arongora we can allow them 3 months first by the mashara over Unaitas and then they can now begin getting loans from Unaitas
right kubuli nalengenga igomine tikotebanga omokorio obonchoreria like now no botoratebe omonto matatu osomwa na bodaboda osomo onchorerio kare gokore biashara bya daraja 2 ochire Unaitas igata kere gukora 3 months ose nabagutumika account kwateberia bwate benki ngao konyore alone
yes
so does it meaning anabo naende mugutumike statement ye ebengi narenke nkoro koranga kinare ko kore bintu byane monge alone kuru Unaitas
yes kina approach ri mwana biashara kuma tainga asole boniga taliabe lakini nji Unaitas abo ko experience ya mangana mayamano wetani asole
okay
achichante bina bono njimna 133 na bona change tikengima ande ngegole account ngachaka Unaitas lakini bono ntekete monge chibes chinga naiga inventory stock yane wose nji kwa gachiro muchim nkali ntaraga chankole umate bono genda gali skonyole ndendere statement yemetinsta nyeligere lindola manganao finances your turnover togochiro ka turnover wose sales munachi no biashara byabo bikominyoka
yes
because that business is what will pay that loan ebiashara ebyo faida iliyo chikwanyora ubwa itaboli yokonyora nabo chiwaka ne loan bono goikandikere na ebiashara ebyago faida ningana naki bigo chibya bibwate no naso motienyi because chiron tokwena na chinyinge nechiri chiko aningwa kana monthly installments
right
bono monthly installments chiko chikorwa se faida ye biashara byago bono I have to look at that statement and then go advise this is the much you can get
yes
so that you inject that money which is biashara byago bosokorera magender
right so asoli otategerete mambi kero kende naro wate project like now ndo wate biombe okonyora batugete chingoko okonyora batugete none chiombe gukama barama bere so kero kende muntu naro utagete go struggle kolengereri naki Unaitas go bagocha baligereri barorenga ichiombe ire ngambwate baligereri chibarore chingoko ire ngatobwate gose igo batagete kuligereri account iri tu atwalirenga inki ya atwalire ime
okay ntuanchite gutarira aba members baito sana
yes
because into to encourage culture yogo taramu working together
ndio
inchikina member kianta biringa nintagete chibese inche no mwalimi wechingoko nginde tani ngoko rango imoka kurwa bisialia
yes
either anje bosomo bisonde bali bechiloni bali gali namatainga genda some asemembe yaito digereria mangana okora because kitu achire ground wose mwago wose sokorere gasi yago engineer tokuru insights to konyak ideas either naro dirigento gete okarewa koraiga na batainga maybe what if you tried okora enchire yende yani we even as we do that we give ideas to our farmers was our members bamanyenga kichinjira chingia cyokore bintu kiagara ntu twabe to gutarira abange we borrow ideas from here twaire rolionde na rochi go implement okoro buri mibwa wakoro warorekana bia igo bono apart from kurigereri statement ya gondare bine ko minyoka bia chibes chigweto
yes
nande embuyangche aso kolega si yago obole miobu awo bwe chingoko osobole mwe chiombe ndore na kyogo chitugera ogo chitugeka nabora chichonte binga injeno mole mwe chiombe mbwata isato bosinye chingi ya chamabere bono nditenkole structuring ya ye chiombe chichane bono it's right ingichen maybe out of utara kwane nabo konya with some ideas ngakyo chigokore structure kiana rege structure chinyinge sawa mia bangi na tarire bangi buna we chiombe igobono we encourage that so much igo wikatutare our farmers our members as ba kola chigas chiabo torore bintu ba korana kibako bikora.
All right.
Yes.
Umanyete mbare bali mimbaro konyora maybe bali laba kora large scale farming babwatu buli myo bongo na chicha nyinge abando konyora bagusime konye ne chibano chinkano enkano gose kero kende kawere nyinge konyora bono no mulemi atagitege ntu bunegari bune pick up maybe kumwirira nyene cha tipping center gose nata ite tractor komokonya asobuli mibwaye wona nata gete Unaitas momokonye how possible eka ikigekoba
Unaitas asset finance nero and we have partnered with so many the major producers, manufacturers and dealers cha chigari either chiroli chikanta chiroli chi pick up whatever or even personal cars.
All right.
Mato mole minaro tagete egari enke lakini imogete igore SUV era mnyoka gochi mugondo ya chikorana na bale mine kiba ambose afanyikazi ne kiba kolegas.
Yes.
So we've partnered with so many manufacturers and dealers to make sure our farmers will say our people our members now will benefit from the partnerships that we've made. Igobo no omwana biashara.
Yes.
Omolemi at a large scale. Omontole in real estate. Otete ko swasa mangana echigari. Wose omontole asematatu industry.
Right.
Into what partnerships with all these major, name them, all these major dealers. Echigari. Or even not these dealers of new vehicles. Badongo karatole na ex-Japan vehicles, the second hand, you know, chikali chito chitwa rusty chiad. Chiri they are second hand vehicles.
Right.
We still help our members purchase chikali echo. Chire used externally, but now they are being sold here in Kenya as new vehicles. Badongo support our members to buy even old vehicles. Na bakonyo mugusiyo min oitoma igabwate egari akuja korundi otali na erabona tete go change agore yende ono montonde oyore member yaito achiche tebene rafiki ane nera ali bose monton ale akarasegete okoniero oligete ali bose gari geteiga nintegete mugori gari iyo in support nyegore mbe ingo bakaneroni. Then we have those arrangements abo to konyogole gari iyo ebe yago ochaka gutwakana. So we do asset finance widely. Yani asenjero bugale sana ni mchaka ko era seboni chinse chinchi kwara onte amanga nonse.
All right, na ndendo je chaelije ndega je atigaire ga angisa na isato bono estimate manager kero kendo manyete gusi gotugo kwandire biashara no bulemi ikegere na bibinto bigokorekana muno. So ekerongo dual so much sema na agriculture abantu barokonyora batagete ebintu buna chimbusuro amoyo konyoro umuntu atagete ntu buna bono greenhouse usikonyoro umuntu natagete ko supported kulima no nege sima samanga na irrigation nebintu binde binge so that abe were equipped in case imburate iyo. So ngakiara konyeke goro Unaitas osere tabwatibaga
nabwate libali nane. Unaitas has a background, the backbone of Unaitas and of course the Kenyan economy nere in agriculture. So agriculture has a big space. Ebwate libali nane sana imeya Unaitas. And the foundation nalego entaba eresa nalego chaka. The foundation of Unaitas is from farmers. It's a group of farmers who came together bakarosie esake back in 1993. Igabana farmers bawate libali nana sana ko bwana na bana biashara. Bagochi baba batwale privilege gete akarore Unaitas igo agribusiness which is a big space in Kenya right from the farmer to the supplier of farm inputs to the processor of the produce ocha kiro mulemi ochulio ko bachimbe gone na mariogo ne na moyo ne chipamp ne chi equipment mutumeka mugondo ogenda so monto ko bigora trader yagore bintu biri mu produce mugondo oenda se processor monto ko process agri processing they have a big space in Unaitas igo nonye kore processor ye unabona matoke itogusi munya koligitole njera turachake ko ya process bono if an investor can come in atebenga Unaitas can fund engachibes mbeke the processing plant in Gusi ya matoke was chief kado inkonya bali mibaito bago produce ibintebi enjera bigo nyore chiro buganko Unaitas can support that igo farmers otegete kogora farm inputs Unaitas were the very nice products, very nice solutions akonyora chilo nchire affordable kwa gore bintebyo kwaswa mugondo otegete kogora equipment ebiragita chikole meme no kirigoli smart osimeke mesi mesi yokoros esukari Unaitas nabe kogorere tractor yo anda mato kwachikole mera mugondo bali bakole macheka chinyingake igo bano Unaitas is supporting farmers in a big way.
Alright. Asante sana. Manaje tupate deka nye gukora chinkwaneji. Lakini azideke chinye ndake tojitumeke biyate. Oturagende ground. Munga kora activation ground asingi nchuko talera your customers yasebale na konyora abaye. Timatika kyumurubuli yogenda.
For the past 1 week ibone yalenge mass activation. Tuatalire chinsemo chinyingi sana Gusi. Nande tuwa register members ya bangi mono. That is one thing I have to confirm. Nande mwa supported sana mna KISII FM. Go tangasa. Amantu bage sokya in very good numbers. Igobono the past tuwa kore okuru January lakini this time tuwa nyakoreta in a mass way, a big way. We opened so many accounts. Chinsemo chons tuwa chete. Tuwa tarete Gusi yengi ma KISII kwanza tuchakre KISII County. All the centers or the small towns of KISII, they felt our presence. Ochakre muino nyangusu oche magena oche mogonga oenda masimba oenda keroka oira nagucha iga chinse meti chonsi mbaka keumbu baracho osaibo songeye oenda mbaka mate nyakoe musocho oenda chinse mochia marani bonsimbato iwete. Even that alone, we went to Nyamira County as well. Chinsemo chons cha Nyamira sengenjo we have so much presence in Nyamira. Ochakere muino ekonge. Oche kerenyo kebirigo Nyamira town yenyene. They felt our presence during that week. Nande we did so much registrations. Nande mbaka wanondo chenga branch yeliyo nganga torto igole chi branch chinde chinsemo chirange gaiga senge chibono tuanyolira abantu abange mono chinsemo muna Nyamira wande nande bono ligere libuna chitown chigo surround KISII na Rongo nsaiga also no go Choma Bay no Migori abuono in the near future we will have to open branches. Igobano the exercise was good and we've gotten tuanyolire members ya bangi sana with exercise yekyo but we don't stop there ntogenderete because now the activation was to create awareness and to akolire boigo bono ingento getikalite no go harvest the many that have not joined bali bai weteli ngana and batch konya walenjera yogo join bono ntogenderete ko ba welcome batch chebonsi togenderete ko ba register ba members anyali bago konyeka na Unaitas asenchirene na muno
kotogokora baregania ngo asorosagirwa KISII nende batebingi bakwimoki gocha.
All right, thank you so much. Karibuni sana tigamba barangeli mwensi bali bataraswa karibuni sana kimogocha bali batara registered injune getambulisho kiao togetiga magega uigori account dio kaigo ochake savari na Unaitas. In fact this week yarenge customer service week tuatwalire a very good interaction ingia sana na members baito yoko ba appreciate asoko ba part of this institution ku Unaitas ngaligere ba togendere ne jani ebya and as we say it Unaitas in our mission statement we are here to transform lives.
Yes.
Through provision of socio-economic solutions. Bono aseke gusi itolega gonchuria amagima arorekane amagima ya members baito arorekane biya. That's what we are doing as Unaitas and the Unaitas KISII branch.
Right.
Igabono karibuni sana mwensi motigara magega.
Right. Asante sana. Maybe utararua your parting shot manager.
Yes.
Can somebody save or mo donaro tagete go save ime ya Unaitas here account kiara tuwale yogo save chibesa maybe jiani interest with the time era tagete yaninga akipata 500 akipata 1000 yake moja akipata 1000 zake 2 5 anda kuweka kwa account yake ya Unaitas.
Yes. The what accounting kia sana and we've launched it not long ago.
All right.
Eko flex grow. Flex, the flex is flexing your muscles.
Yes, flexible.
You know, when you're flexible. Flex grow. Grow now is growing.
Yes.
So we've made that account particularly to make savings and growing your savings flexible.
Right.
So it's an investment account where you put your money, small amounts.
Right.
And beginning earning interest out of that account. Igabano monto bwate chibeso koligia asako nyakuruta. Chinke. Ande chimoe faida.
Right.
Koro ku flex grow. Unaitas go chorote benganche ngigorere account yeli na iwete manager okwa na ali KISII FM koro ku flex grow.
All right.
Asingo beka chibes chiane na ndole chikonge faida every month.
Okay.
Yes.
Itakuwa vizuri sana. Tima think you're a manager in 30 seconds.
Chena kire abagusi bonsi na bali batali bagusi bako iweke gusi ngambi ya mono sana se support bato ile.
Yes.
Ase branch yeito ya igore to 2018. It has been there and I must say na one of the best performing branches in the entire organization. It's one of the best performing branches. So the support bato ile imeyagusi I really appreciate it na ande bagendere go. We still need more members.
Yes.
Come in large numbers. Inchu mosoe esakeye ngaligere tonyare to konyeka 20 tokole savings to imokichi loan chire affordable to tiko imokichi loan chire expensive.
All right.
Ngaligere our enterprises can make money and grow.
Okay.
Bia mono sana.
Asante sana manager na hakire mbia mono kirage asingincho yobo semia kwa iro motegereria semambieje nambia mono asingincho kwerero ku yegoro ya Unaitas as a Sacco ego ekinete na ende yagareire ebwato bumanya se ekigwandeke 32 years tarigendo ya 1+1.
Yes.
Na ende ni manyeteli mongo twara mole delegates inko na bale bacho ara go board members. Board of directors mubwate ba KCO. So ne Sacco yebangete buya muremia umose custom monde wensi utagete ko so ata doubt. So na tabire mono sana manager, I wish you all the best. Na ndekero gende ntutu wale chingaki oicha igasinge nchoko enda gutiri mugusi nondo tanyo lenga ne irero ne raenyore lakini yote 9-10 igotoku balega ni bonsi ase orosagia rwa Unaitas rogotoka alia Lengesia building opposite Quickmart enjere kogenda daraja 2.
Thank you.
Mbia mono sana.
Thank you for having me.
Yes.
Na hakire mbia mono sana MC Dudus.
Yes.
Ne studio yetu ya KISII FM and the entire company.
Right.
Mbia mono sana sogo tatuara.
Asante sana.
Mbia mono.
Right. Hiyo akoro kwa Wycliffe omwandonero mu manager o Unaitas erosagia rwa KISII nere tole gukora chingo na nera sema mbia bono mwencho motereri tochara nere dia o kera magana maiya na